Okay, students, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit your final project drafts. You may have noticed that your professor left you feedback on the drafts that you submitted, but you can't make comments or edits to that particular draft. The reason why is all of the submissions that you submit on Digication are static snapshots of the portfolio. But it's pretty easy to get to the portfolio that you actually can edit. So to start out, we will go to our course, we'll find the assignment where we submitted the first draft of the final project. We'll scroll through here and select the final cultural project first draft. This will bring up this screen here, and I get to my final cultural project first draft. If I select conversations in the bottom right, I will see all of the comments that my professor made. Maybe there's one long page comment, or maybe there's individual isolated inline comments, right? But you see this yellow banner, right? This is indicating that this is a snapshot. You can't edit this right now, right? This is just a snapshot. To edit the portfolio, so we'll go back to the particular to the Canvas course and select Digication Kora or the assignment where you would like to work. So we select Digication Kora. It launches Digication Kora. From here, we can get to our live portfolio by selecting the D and then Home. And from there, under My Works, you will see your live portfolio. So if you're new to Digication or portfolios, you will only have one here. If you've done portfolio work before, you may have multiple ones. You see I have multiple ones being involved in other uses of portfolio, but I'll select the one I made for this particular video. And then I go to my project comments or my final project draft. And then you see I can make the edits. So I can consult the different comments that my professor made. And then over here, I can make the necessary edits and updates to my final project. And from here, I would then submit it for the final version of the final project, right? The revised version that's due in a couple of days. So this is how you edit a draft of your portfolio. Remember, what you submit is a static version. So you must go to the live portfolio, and to do that, you select D, go home, and then it's under My Works where you will select your portfolio so you can access the live version to then make the necessary changes and updates and address the issues that your professor has pointed out. So I hope this helps you work on your final projects.